Hi, boys and girls. It is Miss B, and I am here with National Geographic Kids celebrating Kwanzaa holidays around the world. With celebrating Kwanzaa with candles, community, and the fruits of the harvest. And I know you're looking at this cover going, I wonder what they are doing. So we will go inside and find out. Celebrate Kwanzaa. Carolyn Otto is our author, along with a consultant, Keith A. Mays, who has a PhD. That means he's Dr. Mays, but might not quite be a doctor of medicine. Candles. We celebrate Kwanzaa from December 26th through January 1st. Each day we join our friends and family to light a special candle. We think about what it means to be part of the Black community in America and in the world. We celebrate our ancestry. This is a kinara. And here you see labels with arrows pointing. That is a text feature of non-fiction books. And it is saying a young girl leaps into joyous dance in celebration of Kwanzaa at the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. And this is a photo of the Jeter family, and it says community and ancestry. Ancestry is a word that means your family you came from. We celebrate the harvest. Kwanzaa was created in 1966 during the Black Power movement to honor African American people, our struggles in the United States, our heritage, and our culture. The name Kwanzaa means first fruits of the harvest. During Kwanzaa, we gather together to give thanks for the harvest, which brings us the good things of the earth. We remember the past and our ancestors who worked the earth. We celebrate hope and promise for the year to come. In Ethiopia highlands, a girl carries a bundle of wheat. We say Jambo, which means hello. And here is push it up a little bit. This is a Maasai warrior in the East African country of Kenya. Africa is a big continent. It has many countries, many people, and many different languages. The words we use to celebrate Kwanzaa come from the Swahili language. Swahili is spoken mostly in East and Central Africa, but you can hear it in places all over the world. About 35 million people speak Swahili. If you want to greet someone in that language, you would say Jambo. Before the celebration begins, we decorate our homes with the colors and symbols of Kwanzaa. The colors are red, green, and black. We use wall hangings, African cloth, and special artwork. So here, this is a stamp that the U.S. Post Office put out to commemorate, to honor Kwanzaa. We make beautiful things for Kwanzaa. Up here in a California classrooms, children are weaving papers into a mkeka mat. And over here, this is a display of dolls dressed with lovely African cloth, and it's located in Plainfield, New Jersey. We can buy decorations, but it's more fun to make them ourselves. Creativity is one of the 7 principles of Kwanzaa, so we use our imagination. In our decorations, we include many important symbols of Kwanzaa. We put a mat called an mkeka on our tables. We arrange a basket filled with fruits and vegetables on the mkeka to represent the harvest. Ears of corn are placed on the mat, one for each child in the family. The kokumbe cha umoja, or unity cup, is placed there too. So here, there's the mkeka, the mat. And this is a boy lighting the candles on a kinara, which is the most important thing there. It is a special candle holder, and the 7 candles it holds, 1 black, 3 red, and 3 green. So the kinara, here's the father with his daughter. Here's the kinara, down here. And up here is a father holding his daughter who is holding the unity cup. It's usually filled with water, which is something pure from the earth. And remember, it's called Kikombe cha Umoja. Umoja. Sorry. And it says, we can't wait for Kwanzaa. And this is a gourd rattle. As Kwanzaa gets closer, we practice drumming and dancing. We buy or make gifts called zawadi for our friends and families. We help others make gifts too. A parent, an older brother or sister, or a friend might show younger children how to make drums or rattles and rain sticks, colored necklaces, or woven mats. Gifts can be given any time during the week of Kwanzaa, but mostly we wait until the last day. It is not easy to be patient. And this is a game they're playing here. She's laughing because they're playing a swapping game and the present got stolen. Not really, but taken from her. We celebrate with candles. On the 26th of December, we light the first candle of Kwanzaa. It is the center black candle. The black candle stands for the unity of black people. Unity means standing together and helping each other. Over the next 6 days, we will light 6 more candles, 3 red and 3 green, 1 for each day. The red candles on the left side represent our past. We remember our ancestors, many of whom were brought to this country as slaves. We think of their struggles and their triumphs. The green candles on the right stand for our hopes and dreams for the future. And here they are lighting the candles. Each day we light another candle. We talk about the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. Umoja, unity. Striving for togetherness with our families and communities. Kujichagulia, self-determination. Deciding for ourselves who we are, who we want to be, and what we want to do. Ujima, work and responsibility. Working together to build and strengthen our communities. Ujama, cooperation. Building and supporting African American stores and businesses and benefiting from them together. Nia, purpose, setting personal goals to make our community strong. Kumba, creativity, thinking of ways to make our community and the world a better place. And Imani, faith, believing in ourselves, our communities, and the people around us. Those are the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. We gather together to sing, dance, play drums, and celebrate our culture. Sometimes we play games. Grown-ups and children like to play Mancala, a board game that is popular around the world. It is played with pebbles, beads, or seeds and can be played almost anywhere. We gather together. During Kwanzaa, we eat special foods. Some families use recipes passed from one generation to the next. We might have peanut soup or shrimp gumbo. Sometimes we have fried bananas, sweet potato pie, or coconut sweets. Fun, friends, feast. On the 6th day or night of the holiday, we have a great feast called the Karamu. We dress in bright clothing to display the patterns and colors of Africa. We have drumming, music, and dance. We sing, and we welcome as many people as we can, and we eat. So here they are drumming, which is a form of communication. And here they are dancing and performing a folk dance in New York. January 1st is the last day of Kwanzaa. It is a quieter time. We have a farewell ceremony for Kwanzaa. We greet the new year. We focus on the things we have learned. We give one another gifts. We remember our roots and the traditions of our ancestors. We think of their struggles and we talk of our hopes for the future. We remember our roots. So here is a young girl waiting for her chance to dance in a celebration of Kwanzaa. We wish for strength. We wish to be united as one people and to work together to make the world better for those to come. We hope to preserve the good things in our lives and in our world. We hope to make the world a better place. And here's another dance company. And this is a rain stick that has decorations of Africa in it. And this is just some extras that happen in some books. They give you a little bit more information. For example, here is a recipe for sweet potato pie. And also in informational books, they'll tell you other books that you can read to learn more or websites to go to learn more. And that, my dears, is celebrating Kwanzaa.